Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will learn how to remove duplicates in a list. The common approach to get a unique collection of items is to use a set. Sets are an ordered collection of distinct objects. To create a set from any iterable, you can simply pass it to the built-in set function. And if we later need a list again, we can similarly pass the set to the list function. So let's see how to do this. First, we are going to create a list with duplicates, values, and now we are going to pass into set to remove the duplicates. Our list one. And if we want to convert it to back to list, then we are going to pass the result to list function. And over here we are going to, and now we can print our list. I'll save into another list 2, and now I'm going to print our list, which should be without duplicate values. List 2, and I'll run our code. So this way we can get the list without duplicates. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel, Awesome Code. Like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.